Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to set up SPF and DKIM in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I need you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Setting up the SPF or the Sender Policy Framework and DKIM Domain Keys Identified Mail for Salesforce involves a few steps to ensure proper email authentication and to minimize the chances of emails being flagged as spam. You have to remember that in Salesforce, SPF and DKIM help authenticate your emails, providing they come from legitimate sources associated with your domain. Now, this authentication improves the chances that your emails will reach recipients' inboxes rather than being flagged as spam or rejected altogether. Now, once you are here on your dashboard, I need you to go to the left side panel of your settings, and I need you to click on the email. There's going to be a drop-down menu here, and now you see there's going to be a DKIM keys, but we're not going to deal with that. I need you to click on deliverability. Click on it, just wait for it to load. Now, I want you to uncheck the activate bounce management and then click on enable. If this is not checked, I want you to click on enable compliance with standard email security mechanisms. And then now after that, I need you to click on save. Right. Now, the next thing that you need to do is remember that Salesforce provides you with a list of IP ranges to include in your SPF records. These are typically found under sender IP ranges in Salesforce setup. Alright, so now, all I'm going to do is set this up and update your DNS text record for your domain. And after that, just verify the SPF record. Now, if you're having problems setting up your SPF record, you might want to go here instead or click on the contact support. You just have to log back in to one of the accounts or type in search help. If you don't get any answers, there's a number at the bottom where you can call one of the Salesforce customer support staff. And once you get a hold of one of them, tell them they're having problems setting up your SPF record and DKIM. All right. Remember that by setting up SPF and DKIM correctly for Salesforce, you can enhance the credibility of your outgoing emails, reduce the likelihood of them being marked as spam, and improve overall deliverability. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.